welcome to Jiwo's Science Lab. We are going to try taste experiment today. Okay, let's try different taste. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Now let's try to taste these. Tomato. Tomato. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit. How's that taste? Sour? Yes. So how do you say sour in Japanese?
I don't know.
酸っぱい。酸っぱい。トマトは酸っぱい。
トマトは酸っぱい。
Hey, let's try the next one.
キュンバブル。
キュウリ。
キュウリ。
Okay, you wanna try a little bit? Right? Okay.
How's that taste?
It's good. 苦い? So, what's the next one?
Sugar.
Sugar, 砂糖.
砂糖。
Okay. Sweet. 甘い.
Like for coffee.
We put sugar in coffee, right? 砂糖は甘い.
砂糖は甘い。
Okay, let's
Salt.
try the next one. Salt. 塩. Okay, try some. How's that taste?
Salty.
Salty. しょっぱい。
しょっぱい。美味しい。
塩はしょっぱい。
塩はしょっぱい。
Okay, let's try the next one. What is
わ
this?
さび。
わさび。
わさび。
Do you want to try?
No.
Teeny tiny bit.辛い。わさびは辛い。
わさびは辛い。
Like spicy or hot. 辛い。Now let's try the next one. はちみつ。Okay. Okay.
Sweet.
It's a sweet.
Sweetie.
甘い。
甘い。
はちみつは甘い。
はちみつは甘い。
The next one is vinegar.
Vinegar.
酢。How's that smell?
Smell.
How's that taste?
I don't know.
This is 酸っぱい。
酸っぱい。
Okay. 酢は酸っぱい。
酢は酸っぱい。
Okay, let's try the last one. 醤油。How's that taste?
おいしい。
おいしい。醤油 is salty too. Like salt. しょっぱい。醤油はしょっぱい。
醤油はしょっぱい。I'm genius.
Next we are going to try some experiment. Okay? let's put honey on cucumber.
Okay.
Okay, wanna try?
Okay.
Let's put some hachimitsu. Okay, that's enough. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's try hachimitsu kyuri.
蜂蜜きゅうり。
So how's that taste?
No.
You don't know. Okay, some people says it tastes like melon. If you put honey or cucumber, tastes like melon. What do you think?
No.
No, it doesn't.
No.
Okay, let's put honey on tomatoes too. Let's try to put. Oh, don't put. Some people says if you put honey on tomatoes, it tastes like strawberries. Do you want to try?
No, 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 no.
Why? You like strawberries, right?
No.
Maybe not.
I'm genius.
Okay, now let's review the taste one more time. 砂糖は甘い。
砂糖は甘い。
塩はしょっぱい。
塩は酸っぱい。
わさびは
辛い。
Yes。蜂蜜は甘い。
蜂蜜は甘い。
甘い。酢は酸っぱい。
酢は酸っぱい。
醤油はしょっぱい。
醤油は美味しい。
Okay, good job. You learned a lot today. Okay?
Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.